Hi there. If you want to enable or disable Nearby Share on your Samsung phone, the process is quick and only takes a few moments. Samsung devices now use Quick Share, which includes the Nearby Share feature, making it easier to share photos, videos, documents, and other files with nearby Android devices. To get started, unlock your Samsung phone and open the settings page. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and tap connected devices. At the top of this page, you'll see Quick Share. Tap it to open the sharing settings. Next, look for the nearby sharing section and tap Who can share with you. This menu allows you to control who can discover your device and send files. If you want to enable nearby share, simply select either contacts only or everyone. Choosing contacts only allows people saved in your contacts to find your device, while everyone temporarily makes your phone visible to any nearby compatible Android device. This option is useful when sharing files with someone who isn't in your contacts. If you prefer to disable nearby share, select no one. This hides your device from nearby users and prevents unexpected sharing requests. After making your selection, tap Done to save the changes if prompted. That's all there is to it. Your Samsung phone will immediately apply the new sharing preference without requiring a restart. You can return to these settings anytime to switch between visibility options, giving you full control over your privacy and making file sharing as convenient or as restricted as you need.